It's great. Look, it's absolutely satisfying to see that I've got the recognition and also to prove to myself that I am up there with all the best.
Certainly out of my comfort zone, something I've never done before.
To be nominated again is really cool. Really hope I win this year, but
We want to test the techs for their abilities around using tools and then also the diagnostics process. And there's a third space, which is actually customer service area. So the three components really make up the Tech of the Year.
This afternoon we're running the techs through their practical assessment, really testing the fundamentals of their diagnostic training and their abilities.
The testing's definitely been a challenge. It's obviously there's 35 of us from a couple thousand, and so they're trying to find the best of us. So it's all been a huge challenge, and I imagine it's been the same for everyone.
Yeah, it's definitely more challenging than last year.
Even if I don't win or anything like that, I've learned a fair bit, and I'll take a bit back with me as well.
I love what I do, and then to be at this level, it's just, it's humbling, but it's exciting, and it's so nerve-wracking, obviously.
Yeah, everybody's pretty tight-lipped about sort of how they're gone in the different events.
Yeah, the techs are absolutely fantastic. They've been approaching this with great attitudes, been methodical about how they've approached it. They've been hitting some really interesting, stumbling blocks along the way, and under pressure coming out with some really great outcomes and doing extremely well.
Coming from the field as a tech myself, I'm really impressed with their skills and their knowledge.
Testing's been great, a bit challenging, so hopefully I've done well, and we'll see what happens tomorrow.
I've bought new suits and everything. I normally don't wear suits, I normally wear high vis.
Oh, very excited, very excited. Can't wait to see what they have planned for us tonight, the whole presentation, and excited to see who wins.
Oh yeah, I'm feeling really good. It's just been a great experience really, and I'm really excited to see how it goes, and this place is just beautiful. It's the best hotel I've ever been in.
I'm very excited but really nervous too. It's been a big week, and there's been lots of support from home. It's been great. They all believe in me, a bit more than I do in myself probably, but hopefully do them proud.
This experience is unbelievable, and when I get back to the dealership, I would like to promote these guys to be here for next year.
Please join me in congratulating our winner of the Ag Technician of the Year for Australia, Jamie Ireland.
I think young Jamie would be very proud.
It's one of those you can't even put into words, so I'm so privileged, humbled, excited,
Oh, I'm very happy, to be honest. I can't believe it. I'm just on cloud nine at the moment. It feels great. Yeah, my dad's going to be really proud of me. He's going to be really happy. I'll probably give him a call right after this and let him know.
Don't even have the words. It's amazing. I just feel so proud.
All the other techs, like stiff competition, and pretty honoured to come out on top.
Really happy. Good to be recognised amongst all the other real good competitors. So
overwhelmed, actually. Delighted, but still very surprised. Wasn't expecting to win, so quite happy.
So many emotions going through my head right now, completely blown away. Very, very appreciative of what's happened. Stoked. I still can't believe it's happened. Just to show that us girls can do it.